Hello guys, today I show you how I created this beautiful flower skirt. It's very light and easy. The first thing was I cut out the leaves of the Boehm or Amaflex, you can use anything. And then I sticked it to a belt and shaped it with the heat gun. And sticked on more and more, and also different layers, and so it became very nice. And after all, I painted it starting yellow using acrylics, normal acrylics, and then red and orange mixed. So you see, it's quite easy. I also put some stones. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to see your creations. Bye!